Hello, my dear English learners. How are you all doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, and doing well in your life. When you want to do practice at home and you are confused where you should start, you don't know any stance, so how you will practice, then you can do one practice. You can pick up any object around you and you just describe it. But when you are still confused, what should I speak, what should I describe, how I should describe, then you can make some key points or some questions about that object, like what it is made of, what it is used for, what is the color of that object. So it will help you to organize your thoughts. Accordingly, you will be able to describe the object, and when you will repeat the pattern again and again, then naturally it will naturally come to you. You need not to put a lot of effort to remember those patterns. So all right, then let's begin our practice. So in today's video I have uh, picked an object, a ladder, for description. So the first question, what it is? It is a ladder. What is the color of this ladder? The color of this ladder is black and orange. And what it is made of? It is made of aluminium and plastic, and it is foldable. It can be folded, and we can keep it against the wall in the corner when we are not using it. And is it useful? So my answer would be absolutely yes, it is. Now let me share one incident with you. You won't believe it. Few days ago, it rained very heavily in Noida for 2 days, and the rainwater was seeping through the wall where our electricity reading box is installed. Let me show you. Electricity meter board is placed outside, and due to heavy rain there was a seepage. The water was coming down through the wall and it was getting near to the box, but luckily our neighbor noticed it. He came to our house, and with the help of this ladder he climbed up, and he placed a sack and cloth temporarily to prevent the water from entering to the box. And thank God it didn't enter the box. So if you ask me, is it useful? Absolutely. Absolutely, it is useful for us, because this ladder is not something we use every day, but it is an object which is very useful in an unexpected situation. So see, uh, by describing an object, I have also shared my real life experience. And for describing all these things, I have not used any tough grammar or tough vocabulary. So in this way, you can practice English naturally at home alone. So pick any object, describe it, what it is made of, what is the color of that object, why it is useful to you, and explain any experience which you have gone through. See you in the next video. Till then, keep it simple, practice every day, and enjoy your English journey. Thank you for watching.